Have a look at some of the product De'Longhi Magnifica Evo Next fully automatic espresso coffee maker with grinder and milk frother machine. Now have a look at detail and features of the product De'Longhi Magnifica Evo Next fully automatic espresso coffee maker with grinder and milk frother machine. Brand name De'Longhi. Included components: total hardness test, measuring scoop, carbon active filter, cleaning brush, milk carafe, hot, removable water spout. Model name Magnific Evo Next model number Ecom 31080SB. Manufacturer De'Longhi UPC 0443873108002, item height 14 inches. Other special features of the product: adjustable brew strength, adjustable coffee length, auto shutoff, LCD color screen, my coffee function, coffee maker type, espresso machine, filter type, reusable, specific uses for product, Americano, Cappuccino, Espresso, Latte, Mocha. Recommended uses for product: Americano, Cappuccino, coffee, espresso, iced coffee. Operation mode: fully automatic. Wattage: 1,250 watts. Voltage: 120 volts. Human interface input: touchscreen. Measurement: capacity: 60 fluid ounces. Item dimensions: DXWXH. 17.5-inch DX 9.5 WX14H. Item weight: 21.16 pounds. Number of items: 1 unit count, 1.0 count. Materials and care: material, plastic, exterior finish, painted plastic with metal details. About this item: 13 one-touch recipes. Enjoy espresso, latte macchiatos, cappuccinos, coffee, americanos, Espresso Macchiato, long, and more at the touch of a button. Easily customized drinks to fit your preferences. Built-in grinder. 13 grind settings mean all of your bean varieties are optimally prepared for extraction. The conical burr grinder delivers precise, consistent dose of freshly ground coffee for all your favorite espresso drinks. Some other detail: simple and intuitive display. The 2.4-inch TFT color screen and soft touch buttons are designed to guide you as you craft your perfect beverage. Navigation is simple, allowing you to sort through and customize recipes easily. Personalize. Save and personalize your drink recipes with 3 user profiles. Choose from 4 sizes and 5 intensity levels to craft your perfect drink. Easy TO clean. Removable and dishwasher safe parts for easy cleanup, giving you more time to enjoy your drink. Thank you for watching. Subscribe and like for more videos.